Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to TechGeek webinar series, our endeavor to empower techies. We believe that sharing of knowledge is the key to enhance our skills and grow us as professionals. With this principle in mind, we have initiated a series of webinars conducted by industry experts to give you all a crisp insight of various domains. The topic of today's session is choosing between native web and hybrid mobile application development. Our guest speaker today is Mr. Kapil Madan. Mr. Kapil Madan is a consultant mobility solutions at IBM India Software Labs, where he evangelizes IBM's mobility solutions to clients and partners. As consultant mobility solutions, he works with clients and partners in adoption of mobility solutions, assists customers in identifying and delivering solutions leveraging IBM mobile offerings and expertise to provide competitive and operational advantage. So without further delay, I introduce you all to our guest speaker, Mr. Madan. Over to you, Mr. Madan.
Good afternoon, everyone, and thank you very much for taking time out for attending this webinar. My name is Kapil Madan, and I work as consultant mobility with IBM Software Services for WebSphere. Mobile development brings in specific set of challenges. There is fragmentation of mobile technology and platforms, starting right from form factors, whether it's smartphone or tablets, to application types, web, native, hybrid. The fragmentation in mobile space also requires rapid pace of innovation, as mobile landscape is evolving at much faster pace with new operating system releases, new device types introduced in the marketplace. So today in this webinar, we are going to focus on understanding the mobile application development options available to us. Drawn from our expertise and customer experience, I'll provide an overview of different characteristics of each of these different application types and compare the pros and cons of each, as well as discuss how each methodology can impact your business. I hope that this webinar will help make you a decision as to the right approach for your mobile goals. Please feel free to submit questions through the webinar console at any time while we go through the webinar. So in our discussion today, I'll explain the difference between native, web, and hybrid mobile apps and how these apply to enterprise mobile initiatives. We'll start by looking at native applications, which you might think of as a conventional mobile app. We'll then look at web applications, which are written in HTML and run inside the mobile browser. But you may be a bit surprised at what all they can do. Then we'll have a look at hybrid applications, which again are a very interesting combination of the two approaches, native and web app, a combination which is especially important for the enterprise context. Before we proceed though, I wanted to note that there is no official definition of a native, web app, or a hybrid app. In this webinar, we'll use the terms as they are generally accepted in the industry, though some companies and experts may have slightly different interpretation of these terms. Now let's dig into details of what these application types are. Just to put our discussion in context, let's take a look at the screenshots of a few prominent native applications.